This is a 1999 Ford Lightning, and to catch you up to speed, it's got a 7.3-liter Godzilla motor with a Pro Charger underneath the hood. In episode 1, we started to build the entire custom audio setup in the interior, and today we're going to finish it out by building the sub box and the amp rack. Let's get into it.
All right, so here we have the subwoofer enclosure that's going to house the 4 T1 shallows. This is ready to go. In front of it's basically the beauty panel layout, so it's going to be the rings around the subs, reveal for the amps, and then my amp board. We're going to do a nice imitation carbon fiber copper vinyl wrap inside on the sub housing, and then from there we're going to do a leather match on the exterior with some lighting.
All right, and that is the interior all built out. We have the 4 10-inch Rockford Fosgate subwoofers lining the back wall, 6 amplifiers on top of it, that beautiful trim panel right on top, headliner and A-pillars all wrapped in the nice black suede. Those tweeters and front speakers and the A-pillars, they fit in perfectly. And of course, the black carpet on the bottom to kind of give the dashboard a little bit of contrast in the interior, and the seats, of course. I think the team did a great job with this interior. It came out really well. But as always, we got a few more surprises in store for you guys with this truck. You're not gonna wanna miss out. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button down below, and we'll see you next week.